Yes, I'm Kenneth Zone, responsible for social crime prevention in Northern Cape Province. As you can see, this is my display area where we display the services that we are giving to the community. Let me start by the program to the older persons. We all know that older persons are very vulnerable when it comes to all types of crimes. It also includes the sexual offenses, it also includes the physical abuse, emotional abuse, economical abuse against the older persons. Maybe just to move over, where we invite members of the community to get involved in policing. They join the police as the reservists, as they are going to offer their services voluntarily, assisting the community, giving information to the police. These members are also members of the South African Police. They also wear uniform, and then we are going to use them on voluntary basis. Coming here from time to time, people that are involved or that are affected by crime, they become victims of crime. Now, because they are victims of crime, sometimes they don't know or they don't understand their rights. And then we are using this program, the Victim Empowerment Program, to make sure that they understand their rights. As you can see, they are having the right to be treated with respect and dignity. They've got a right to offer information to the police. They've got a right to get information or to receive information from the police. They've got a right to protection. They've got a right to the assistance. Most of the time, our victims don't know their rights. This program is helping us a lot to make sure that they understand their rights. Moving over to domestic violence, that is a problem. Domestic violence is happening in many forms. As you can see, it is physical, it can be sexual abuse. It also happens within marriages. People that are having a domestic relationship, like friends, people who are in a relationship, sometimes a relationship, a short period of time in a relationship. It goes from physical abuse up to the damages of properties. That is domestic, and domestic violence is giving a problem to the members of the community. It even tears the community as well as the families apart. Moving over to dangerous weapons, you see, some of the people are victims because of dangerous weapons. Even during the domestic violence, dangerous weapons are used. I've got a list of some of the dangerous weapons that we tell the community. And with this program, we also go to the schools and we disarm the learners who are having weapons with them. Whether it's the knife, the size of the knife does not matter. As long as a knife, as you can see, a spear, a tomahawk, a knife, or a crowbar is also a dangerous weapon. Moving over to the next program that we're having is the program on sexual offenses. There are so many members of the community that are affected by sexual offenses. And then some of them, it is out of a date rape, went out with a person and the person end up being a victim. And here, we tell the people exactly through this program what to do when you're a victim of sexual offenses. And then all these things are happening urban as well as rural areas. But now we've got a special program where we target people that stays in rural areas. Now these rural areas is places that are very far from a police station. And from time to time, they take time to reach the police. They take time to report their crime. Some of their crimes goes unreported or underreported. And then we use this program to sensitize the rural community that they need to make sure that all their problems and challenges as they are victims of crime, they are reported to the South African Police Service. Now this is the area. This is the area and the programs that we are using to sensitize the members of the community, to make sure that members of the community, they know that if they are victims of crime, what should they do? If they are victims of sexual offense, what should they do? If they are involved in domestic violence, what should they do? If they want to help the police, they can join the police as a reservist, and the program for the older persons. Our old people, sometimes they are left alone at home, and the perpetrators, they are taking advantage. This program is very important to make sure that they know their rights. I think that is one of the programs. It's a lot of programs that we're involved in, but this is the heartbeat of the South African Police when it comes to services to the community. Thank you very much.